Hey yo.
Yeah. Talk your shit, right? Talk your shit.
Hey, we got one.
What they gonna say now?
Hey, let's get to this motherfucking money, you dig?
It's all about the pickups and the drop-offs.
Yeah.
We rock the real shit, you rockin' knockoffs.
Hey, yo, YouTube, let me speak on this. Yeah, good boy, man. Respect for GS. Back at it with another banger. Yeah, first man, shout out to my boy Chipotle. Your boys, yeah. I definitely love some Chipotle, you remember? Waves on deck. Nothing new about that. But yeah, man, we came to talk about my new pickup, man. Update some visuals to this channel. I got ashy elbows. So, look. A little bit of grease on the thing, But yeah, man. Yeah, I know I'm shooting off an iPhone. So we got the new thing. Y'all see it. So y'all know the visuals gonna be crazy, right? So we're gonna take the plastic off this junk. That was nice. This is a 512, man. Silver. I ain't never seen it. We seen it together. Let me see this. Put the phone down. You get your usual, tips and things. Headphones, never gonna use. Okay, alright. New charging cable. Yeah, lightning to USB-C. New charging brick. USB-C charging brick. This must be the new fast charger. Yeah, that's what that is. That's a new fast charger right there. Gotta use that. Yeah, we'll put all this back in here. Yeah, definitely got the phone unlocked. No carrier right now. Got the plastic on it. We're gonna remove the plastic out this one. That felt good, man. It's matte, man. Like, it's a matte finish. I can't wait to see what these cameras do as far as video. Like, this is crazy looking. It's a fingerprint banging in the front, though. Should we try to turn it on? There you go. It's not big, but it's a big home. It's all screen. This is a fire phone, bro. I wish they would have put that fingerprint scan like right here, though. Screen. Hey, yeah, definitely gonna do everything offline. I ain't gonna hold y'all a little too much, but I do got the new iPhone that we will be shooting videos with. We'll be doing some new stuff. I did hit on the traffic. I should hope to have that review real soon. My player partner. Shout out to my bro. Looking out for me, making sure I can get those purrs. Yeah, man. Yeah, I didn't do immediately G drop in this one because I don't have a personal purr right now. I know y'all want to hear that immediately G drop, but that's my bro, man. Shout out to Measly. You know, we all eat. You hear me? We all eat. That's what he like to say, man. He always tell me we all eat. We all gonna eat. So yeah, shout out to the bro, man. Some new things coming, man. Some new things coming. I got some new stuff coming. I'm setting it up, man. Like, if y'all can see what's behind y'all would. It's crazy right now. I'm thinking about getting a TV mount. So, looking into that. That boy got new ink going. I'm looking into, taking care of that. Yeah. We working, man. We working. A lot of work, a lot of dedication, a lot of things going on. So, yeah. Seattle 10s next week. Seattle 10s next week. That's what we on. So, just want to say, man, it's your boy, man. Respect for GS. Respect for G's. Rob Rob Cairo. I'm known by a bunch of names, but I'm also known for having dope tech and fly kicks. But this is about the tech though today. So I always know having dope tech, man, the latest and the greatest. And you know what I like to say, man, the goal is to be clean, not mean. Stay fresh, not stressed, and be blessed. Until next time, we are out.
Talk your shit. Yeah. Union ties, nigga. Hustle. Did the scale. Trollo. Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga.